Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. And we get a long weekend. Martin Luther King Day is Monday. Markets will not open again until Tuesday morning. Sunday night, we will get the currency markets open, though, and gold will be trading in Asia. Accept others the way they are. You cannot change other people. To try to change them to fit what you want is like trying to change a dog into a cat or a cat into a horse. They are what they are, and you are what you are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 17, NASDAQ up 25, S&P's up 5.5. Gold contract down $2.30, trading at $11.9750. Gold rejected lower price, has lighter volume. Bottom line, gold wants higher price. Silver down a penny at $16.81. Also rejected lower price, lighter volume. Also wants higher price. Platinum's down $7 at $9.85 an ounce. You got copper up a penny and a half at $2.69 a pound. Light sweet crude down 57 cents, trading at $52.44 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 6 ticks, 124.22. 30-year bond down 17 ticks, 152.02. King dollar down 182 ticks at 101.195. The euro is trading at 106, and the yen is at 114.50. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Bottom line, you go downtown yesterday, not enough volume to keep it down. Guess what? We go uptown, and the volume contracts dramatically. So here you go. So that being said, this market has volume on the SPY at 222. So your volume down there of 108 million. That's going to get tested. The last high that we had, that was on January 6th, we had volume of 71 million. We were 227. Now, what happened yesterday is that we went down. We only went down at 72 million. You can see the 72 million stopped dead in its tracks by the high volume at 108. Today, however, this is what you have. This is pretty intense. We've only done 36 million shares in the SPY. This baby is building cause to go after this low of 222 inside the SPY once again. That's your SPY. We go to the Dow Industrials. What do you have with the Dow Industrials? Dow Industrials also got up into its high, couldn't handle it. Now, we have with the Dow, this is pretty intense actually, because the Dow Industrials has been hanging up here since December 13th. We're dealing right now with, January 13th. Well, hey, one full month, one full trading month. That's pretty intense. And we've been there the whole time. What does it do today? It gets to a price point of 19,952. Anemic volume. Inside the NYSE out here today, we probably won't do 700 million. We're only at 432 million right now, so there's no buyers up at these highs. That's your S&P. That's your Dow. NASDAQ Composite. Now, the Composite also has light volume, but the NDX 100 as well as the Composite are at new all-time highs. The Composite right now is up $24. You're trading at 55.72. The high that was generated out here on Wednesday was 55.64. We made it up to 55.84. NDX 100. We take a look at the NDX 100, also at a new all-time high. NDX 100 made it up to a price point today of 5,066. Right now, we're at 5,059. The high of Wednesday was 5,050. Bottom line, you're at the new high. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? We get action, folks. Gold is setting up. It looks like it's setting up another ABC structure on the way up. So, gold market out here today. You got down to a low of 1187. Rejected lower price. Had lighter volume. What gold was doing is it was going into its strength from Wednesday. So what you had is that you got down to a price point of 1187. We did volume of 272,000 contracts. That was going against 329,000 contracts, and in fact, you couldn't even make it to the bottom of that bar, which is 1177. And guess what? We're at the top of the bar. 1198.50 was the top of the bar. Right now, you're trading 1198.60. This looks like it's setting up an ABC structure on the way up, and it'll be a beauty too, by the way. This would be, if in fact this is going to be an ABC, if this is the A to B point, you have 1129 up to 1207. So you're talking about 1109. What did I say, 1109? No, 1129. So you're talking, that's 61, that's $68. You know, that'd bring gold up into the 240. Yeah, there it is, 1240 level. Looks to me like gold's going to actually make a run right up into 1311. You have the next range out here gets you to 1251 to 1311. Silver. What do we have with the silver market? Silver did the exact same thing. It rejected lower price. Nice setup here. Silver traded down to $16.61. You're at $16.83 right now. This little baby, the A point on this is 1573. Your B is 1695. So you're talking about $1.20, which would get you 18. What did I say? $1.20? No, $1.20. 15. Yeah, $1.20. So that'd be 1770. 1770 would be the A to B equals C to D. Good number. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar, folks, can't handle higher price. That's the bottom line. You've done 37,000 contracts. You're going to be closing out at lows for the dailies. For the weeklies, King Dollar's on its way down to 99.250. Once you're under 100.600, you get a major failure of the breakout from November. We're going to be right back, folks.